preparation done for what I need to do for today. So the first thing I knew I need to do was edit the video because I didn't get to do it last night because I was tired. And so we're going to go ahead and get that done first. Then we're going to go ahead and prep on to the sewing room. Few hours later. Let me give y'all a real day in the life, okay? So I went to sew my blazer, right? And I decided, let me go ahead and change needles. Why have I been sitting here since 10 o'clock? And it is now 10:23, trying to thread the needle into my machine. I'm not understanding. There is nothing broken inside of there or nothing. Why this needle don't want to get put into my machine today? I don't know. But this is the crap that holds me up. And it'll be something like this, and I'll be like, you know what? Forget the whole day. Forget the whole day. But guess what? I can't do that this week. So I'm going to have to figure this out and figure out why it takes me so long to thread. Not to thread my machine, not to thread. Why it takes so long for me to get my needle back into the holder. This is crazy, y'all. Okay, so I said can't hold up the day's progress. So I just went ahead and used my other machine. So we are on Boss Ross right now, and we're going to get this done because this blazer has to be finished today.
As I told you, I'm going to pay you back and save it, all right? One thing that we know that you don't. What's that? You made a nice life for yourself as a manager, brother. Now, I wish I ain't going so bad.
Like you said, I'm more street than I am Hollywood, and everybody knows she's got anger issues, especially since she smacked the shit out of Couture We at the Grammys last year. I am trying to protect my meal ticket. I didn't want her talking to no cops until she talked to a lawyer.
What's up, y'all? It's my girl again. So hold on, listen. I'm watching the game, right? And I realized that this is that game. Y'all know I like the Ravens and I like the Commanders. So I'm at lunch right now, watching the game. And it's going to depend on how this game going. If I have a regular 1 hour lunch today at work, or if I have I own this joint lunch today at work. I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, y'all, so you see how much of the jacket I got done. Yes, my team lost, so it was a very short lunch, but that's okay because I am loving the progress. Love what I see happening here. I'm really trying to just be a little more meticulous and just pay attention to my seams and the way I'm sewing. So I'm proud right now. Having a proud moment. That's going to look so good with those pants. All right. So we're still at it. Y'all, ooh, look at my suit jacket coming out. It's coming out so beautifully. I just attached the undercollar on here. And I just, went down to where the dart was. But I'm looking at this one. Okay, yes, that's the same size. But I am loving the way it's coming out. I'm loving the results, and we almost done. Stay tuned. Yeah, so I almost have a sleeve on. I know the facing is coming, but I'm kind of deciding what I want to do with my sleeve cuff. And I think I'm going to just leave it open like that. I don't know why. Something about this I like. So I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm going to hem it up around there and hem down in there. I think they're going to attach the lining to this. But yeah, I'm going to leave it just like that. I may even put a little bling black or something back there. But that's where we at, y'all. Sleeves is on their way on. And I gotta tell y'all, I still love my Barbie suit. And that's just what this is. It is a Barbie suit. We almost done. Y'all check out them sleeves. Them things is looking good. Especially when I give it a press, it won't look as bulky right there. Because it'll lay down flat. Let me show you what I mean. So like that, press that down. See how nice that look now compared to what it was looking like when it was right there. But yeah, I gotta press it. But yeah, she's coming out beautiful.